Okay, guys, so this is the first sketch, and I'm working for the rudder, for the servo motor. Now, I included the soft serial library also because the HC05 module is connected, and I don't want anything to go wrong and burn it. But anyhow, I already initiate connection on this sketch, and I will show you later on a print of my cell phone where it shows that the boat connection, it shows this message, boat connection was successful. Further on, I already have my object, the rotor for the servo motor. You can see it over here. I attach it to the pin 9, and down here on the loop, this is where I tested the range of angles that I could achieve, as you saw in the video. And I figured out that I can go from 45 to 145. Now, these numbers initially may not make sense, but as you can see over here, the center of this mechanism is not at 90 degrees but at 95 degrees, and that is why it goes from 45 to 145. And this is the sketch. Over here you can see this block, but I only have this because the L298N module is already connected, and it's just to shut off the pins, just for safety. Alright, so this is a sketch for the propeller. It's the same thing as last time. The only difference is right down here in the loop where you can see I work the pins of the L298H bridge. And I do that by analog writing. This code is to work the PWM mode of the pin, and I set it at 150. This can go up to 250, so it's pretty good. At 150 is the force that you already see, and it's very simple. It works for 10 seconds, then shuts off for 2, just like you see.